Good morning, Lakers. Today is Monday, October 26th, and this is my walkthrough for today/tomorrow of class. Today, if I see you in class, we're going to be doing, of course, question of the day. I'm going to walk through the plan for the week, which I'll do here in a moment. I'm also going to add a video onto Schoology in a little bit later today that gives an example of how I grade a paper, and I really encourage everybody to look through that video, just because I go over probably the most common errors that I see when I grade papers like this. And basically showing you, what's the average score look like for those mistakes. And then you're going to have an activity to do today where you are going to check over your own papers. So I'm going to go back onto our Schoology page. Week 8 is updated, which is where you found this video. Our learning guide for the week shows, and of course it's loading, there we go, shows that today we're going to be revising our essay in class, and we're also going to be doing that tomorrow. There's an editing activity on Schoology that I'll show you in a moment, and of course make sure that you use the essay resource notes if you have questions, which is back in last week's folder, but I'll enter it into this week's folder as well. I'll put information up later on today about where to turn in your paper via turnitin.com. Your paper is due this week on Wednesday night at 11:59 to turnitin.com. If you do not turn it into turnitin.com, that means I don't grade it. So please make sure that you turn it into the correct spot. Thursday and Friday this week, we are going to be moving away from papers because we're done with that unit, and we're going to be moving into the last unit of the quarter, which is all about persuasion. We're going to work on some presentation skills in class. At home, you're going to be looking at some persuasive techniques, a little note assignment, and a flip grade that you are going to have to do. DLA students, please look and study the presentation skills notes that are linked here. Everybody's going to choose a topic for a persuasive speech that we're going to start next week. I will put the document up on Wednesday, and you'll have Thursday and Friday to sign up. First come, first serve. If you are in an hour with your friend, and you both want to choose the same topic, only one person can choose that topic. So it is first come, first serve. And that repeats itself on Friday as well. So just flip-flops depending on if I see you in class or if you're at home or if you are DLA. So please look over these notes again. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, this week, and let me go back, Monday and Wednesday, the editing activity is here, and this is due by Wednesday night as well. This is the rubric that we use to edit our Of Mice and Men paper. Notice that everything in purple is the rubric itself, and it's broken down by the criteria that you're graded on. But then the black writing is things to check your grading and to follow instructions. And so first you're going to go through and you're going to circle the grade that you would receive right now if you were looking at your introduction. And then you're going to answer the questions, and then you're going to copy and paste your thesis. So it's just simple 1, 2, 3 step by step of what you are looking at. In general here, you are just going through and answering and following the directions in the black writing as you go. I know this looks like a lot of writing, but once you start looking at it and reading through, it will make a lot more sense to you. So this is a great way to check, am I including a strong thesis statement? What do my topic sentences look like? Do I have lead-ins for all of my quotes, and do I have citations, and etc.? Okay, so please make sure that you're looking at that. That is due Wednesday along with your paper to turnitin.com. You turn this into Schoology, your paper goes to turnitin.com. And then finally, once again, I'm going to be adding a video later today that goes through how I grade a paper. So please look at that, and I will put it onto Schoology by this afternoon. Otherwise, that's it. So have a great day, Lakers. Let me know if you have any questions.